Hi guys, I can't wait to show you this festive video that I have for you. Please stay tuned and watch the rest. I'm putting on my Plouise base so that my eyeshadow are pigmented, and I'm gonna take this brush to form it the way that I want the colors to go on my eye. This is the Saharan palette from the Juvia's place. Gonna put it in the corner of my eyes, and I usually put it up there because my eyes can be hooded and I want the colors to be shown in my eyes. And I'm gonna put a little bit in the corner of the eye just so that I can make room for the second color that I'm gonna take. This is my second color. It's a brown color. It's gonna be my second color in the corner of my eyes. I swipe it, then I'm gonna bring the rest to the entire eye so that I can have that faded soft look for the entire eye. I'm taking this fluffy brush just to blend the transition color with the color on my eyelid. So my third color is going to be this burgundy color. I thought that I wanted to do a smoky brown, but the way this video is escalating, it's going to be a pomegranate type of look, something that can be worn on Thanksgiving and during Christmas season. Then I'm putting on my eyeliner. I'm doing my cat eye. Do people still say cat eye? Then on this clip, I am doing my lashes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start with the contour process, which can be very intimidating. But before then, I'm gonna trace my lips so I can prepare them for when I'm ready to wear my lipstick. With a translucent powder, I'm gonna go ahead and start the baking process. Then I'm gonna go ahead and contour with my bronzer from Juvia's place. I am using my Laura Mercier translucent powder in dark medium. I'm not sure, but I will link everything down in the description box. With my deep bronzer from Juvia's place, I'm gonna start by contouring my nose first, a small section of my nose. I start with my eyes, with the inner corner of my eyes, just to have them connected. So now with my bronzer, I'm gonna go ahead and enhance the cheekbone and define features for a thinner and more sculpted appearance. My lips were already lined up, so now I'm gonna go put on my lipstick. I wasn't really sure if I was filling that lipstick. I think it's because I've been used to wearing lip gloss for a while now, so putting on lipstick that is burgundy looked a little odd, but I was able to rock it nonetheless. Now I am doing my waterline with my blue eye pencil just to deepen the look, just to deepen the eye look. Taking a paper towel here just to remove any excess that I may have left from the lipstick application. As my final touch on this eye look, I'm just gonna go add a little touch of gold eyeshadow in the inner corner of my eye, just a little bit, just to complete the look. Because a look is never complete without lashes. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.